Welcome the our channel. Today we how to verify user experience data with Hotjar, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify user experience data with Hotjar, start by logging into your Hotjar account. Once logged in, navigate to your Hotjar dashboard. Select the website you want to analyze from the list provided. On the left side menu, click on the heat maps option. Create a new heat map if you haven't done so already. Name your heat map and enter the URL of the page you wish to track. Adjust the settings for your heat map, including sample size and device type. Click on the Create Heat Map button to finalize. Next, wait for data to accumulate before proceeding. Once sufficient data is available, return to the heat maps section. Click on the heat map you created to view the visual representation of user interactions. Analyze the areas with the most clicks, movements, and scrolls. Take note of any unexpected patterns or behaviors. Next, navigate to the Recordings section in the left menu. Select Recordings to access user session recordings. Here, you can view individual user sessions in detail. Look for sessions that highlight areas of interest from your heat map analysis. Watch these recordings to gain insights into user behavior. Identify potential pain points or confusion during user interactions. After reviewing recordings, go to the Surveys section. Create a survey to gather direct feedback from users. Choose between different survey types, like incoming or outgoing. Set the survey questions to align with your observations. Deploy the survey on the relevant pages to collect responses. Review the gathered data to validate your findings. Cross-reference heat map insights with the survey results for clarity. Examine trends and correlations to enhance your understanding of user experience. Finally, compile your findings into a report or presentation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.